Network Security Group, NSG, is used to filter network traffic to and from Azure resources. It can be attached to subnet or network interface of a VM. You can define inbound or outbound rule to allow or deny traffic to or from IP address, service tag or application security group. Service tag is group of IP address for an Azure service. Advantage of using service tag is even if underlying IP address of Azure service changes, you don't have to modify NSG rule. Application Security Group or ASG is used to group virtual machines and define NSG on top of it. So that if you add or remove a VM from ASG, for example, you have set of web servers serving same purpose, and if you replace one of the server with another VM due to some issue, you just need to add the new VM to ASG of web servers, but you don't have to modify NSG, which would have otherwise interrupted network traffic to other destinations as well added to same NSG rule. To create NSG rule, you can search for network security groups and create new. Provide the subscription, resource group, region where you want to create NSG, and its name to create it. By default, you will get 3 inbound and 3 outbound rules. Default rules allow inbound traffic from load balancer, VNet, but blocks rest all inbound traffic. It allows all internet or VNet bound traffic and blocks all other outbound traffic. You can then create your own rules as per your requirement to control traffic. In this case, we have one NSG only that is attached to subnet where VM is located. However, if there are 2 NSGs, one attached to subnet, one to NIC, then, for inbound traffic, it will evaluate rules of subnet NSG first, and if traffic is allowed, then will check rules of NIC NSG. If denied at interface level, traffic will be denied. In case of outbound, it is vice versa. It evaluates NIC NSG rule first, then the other one attached at subnet level. Rules are processed in priority order. One with lowest number has highest priority. Once traffic matches a rule, processing stops. As a result, any rules that exist with lower priorities that have the same attributes as rules with higher priorities aren't processed. In our scenario, we have configured default IIS site within VM, which is reachable locally on port 80. However, due to default rules, traffic from internet is denied. Now we will add a rule to allow traffic. We will keep source and destination as star, but you can provide specific IP to be more specific. We will set priority of rule as 104. We will select all protocols and provide name of rule as IIS. Click on Save. Now, as we can see, default website page is reachable. We will delete the NSG rule for now, as we also want to test how we can control traffic with Application Security Group. As we can see, website is unreachable now, as we have deleted the NSG rule. Let us create ASG. Go to Application Security Group, provide name, subscription, RG name, region of your ASG, and click on Create. Now go to your VM, networking, and select NIC of VM that you want to attach to ASG. Go to Application Security Group, Configure, select the ASG created from drop-down and save. We will now create NSG rule with ASG as destination instead of star or IP address. Note that NSG is still attached only to subnet, not to NIC. However, as we can see with the NSG rule, created as an extension of ASG, our website page is reachable now.